Relax.
I had to check if I was bleeding from my nose afterwards.
I just borderless. Checked out of Martinique. Can't come back.
Bye! Look at that.
Isabelle is so seasick. Hey, hey, hey! Ho, hey, hey, ho, hey.
G'day!
G'day. Good day.
Good day.
Good day.
Today we are getting a COVID test.
Yes.
We want to leave Martinique. We
Yeah.
want to get going. We
And
want
we are
to
robots
move on
again.
with our lives.
The robot universe is taking over the universe.
We have heard it's not the best experience you've ever had. It's quite painful, but it's necessary to keep us moving.
You need these tests to enter St Vincent and the Grenadines. If you have the test and you've passed, obviously, you can just head straight on through, just check on. There's no quarantine or anything like that, so we're going to try and get that sorted right now.
Yeah. And if you're COVID positive, just leave you behind.
Yeah, just drop them off at the nearest problem center.
It's off to a good start. Need a bit of a muscle there.
Killing it. Okay, so because we have to get out of here today, I decided to come early with Isabel, actually 3 hours early, but nobody is here. We have got our ticket, so we are basically third in line to get the test done, but we're still 2 hours away from them arriving. So we're gonna get some, what are we doing, Mackie D's? I don't know, we're gonna figure something out. Not McDonald's, the natural food store.
Priorities, eh? You having fun?
On my way.
Yeah?
It's like, why do we go sailing when we could just be here all the time, you know?
We do COVID tests in Martinique.
Yeah, COVID tests in Martinique is way better than sailing across oceans.
How much time do you have left now?
1 hour.
1 hour?
How long have I been here? An hour and a half.
Just tone down the happiness, would you?
Okay, alors, you must come. Can you check your name?
Perfect.
It's good. Can you sit, please? You stay in a boat?
Wait,
Yeah.
wait.
Whoa.
And you leave Martinique for
Today.
Grenadines?
Wait.
Okay. You receive the result tomorrow afternoon on your email address.
Okay. Beautiful.
Okay.
That's deep. That's deep.
Relax. Relax.
How was that? How was that? Good? Oh my goodness.
Did you enjoy that?
Oh,
I had to check if I was bleeding from my nose afterwards.
that was rough. That was very rough.
Oh. We survived.
We're still here.
Now, let's set sail and get out of here.
Yeah, so now the test is done. They're going to email us the results tomorrow. And so we're going to scoot out of here and try and make the most of this wind. It is meant to die tonight,
Yeah.
but stuff it, we'll just do our best.
And motor if we have to the lost.
Oh, my nose. Okay, so our time here in Martinique is finally over.
Finally.
How have you enjoyed it?
It's been good. A little bit too long, so I can't wait to get sailing again and get moving. It's going to be very nice.
Definitely. So we've done our COVID test. That was a painful experience. We've checked out. We've put our new tender Ralph on the boat for the first time, haven't we?
Oh, yeah.
So we don't know about the position for him, but we're just testing to sail out today, and then we might move him next time. But I'll show you where he is right now. It's a bit. We don't know about that just yet.
We're going to sail for approximately 16 hours to the Grenadines. To be more accurate, we're going to sail to St Vincent and the lagoon and wait for our hopefully negative COVID tests.
Yeah.
And then we can.
If they're not negative, we're kind of stuck out. We're just borderless. Checked out of Martinique, can't come back.
Yeah.
Checked out of St Vincent, can't get in.
Scary scenario.
Anyway, fingers crossed that won't happen. Alright. I'm going to be honest, I've been going a little bit crazy over the last week, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. We've been meaning to get out of here for a while, and we've been putting it off, and I've been going a little bit more crazy every week. So today, now that we're finally leaving, it feels good. Something about this lifestyle, we need to keep moving, otherwise we go a little bit
Crazy.
Crazy.
We don't like to sit still. We like to explore and go new places and see new things and sail. I mean, we haven't sailed properly in a while,
So it's good to have the sails up, isn't it?
Yeah. Any last words?
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Later.
Kietja.
Kietja, down a bit.
Recently bought a pair of new sunglasses. Are you quite happy with them or what?
I don't know.
He's not that sure.
It takes me a while. It takes me a long while to get used to sunglasses. So I'm just like, I'm not sure. I'm thinking about going back to my old ones because I kind of fix them a little bit. What do you guys think of these glasses? Leave a comment below. Yeah, your name.
Should he keep them? Should he throw them? Should he give them away? What do we think?
I've said it once before and I'll say it again. Just the speed we have, we're at 12 tons and we're moving at about 8 knots, which is 16 kilometers an hour. And we're just powered off the wind. I mean, growing up, to a normal person, moving 12 tons by the wind is just baffles me. And boats go way bigger than us. It really, yeah, it just confuses me and makes me excited every time I think about it. It's weird, I know. What you reading there, cutie? Studying. I like it.
Okay, so this morning before we set sail, I made or prepared some food for us. Right now it's not that bad, but I still can't be downstairs and cook while we're sailing because of the swell. So I made a little food. I'll show you guys. Look at that. Okay, so here we have it. It is just a bunch of greens. It's potatoes, carrot, onion, garlic, chickpeas, and a ratatouille mix from Martinique that I picked up. Some spices, herbs, and yeah, there you have it.
Amazing! Where did I find you again?
Feel a little bit now.
Feeling the seasick. Yeah, you went downstairs for a bit.
It's the first sail back. I think I'm more sensitive than before.
Just let me go downstairs when you need to, okay?
But it's better now when I can feel the fresh air.
Yeah. Halfway through. No, we're probably a little bit before halfway through our sail now. We're coming around the windward side of St Lucia. It's a call I made just as we were leaving Martinique. The wind is meant to die later on tonight, so we're going to try and keep the wind for as long as we can coming around the windward side of Martinique. Isabelle is so seasick, so I've come up the front to have a chat to the camera. She's an absolute trooper. When the waves come up, it gets a bit rough and she really affects her, but she doesn't let it get to her too much, and she perseveres and she doesn't complain, and yeah, absolute trooper that girl. We're going along nicely at about 5 knots, sometimes 6. We're at a broad reach. We've got about 13 knots from 120 degrees off to our port side, and life's not too bad. The waves are a little bit annoying. The mainsail's flapping around a little bit, but other than that, things are looking brilliant. That is not a bad sunset.
Not at all.
Tell me, how's your sail been, Isabel?
Started very good. I was very excited to go sailing again. I made some food. I went downstairs. I was talking to you guys. And then it went downhill. I got my seasickness back. It's
not great.
No.
What's going on with this wind?
Yeah, we lost a lot of wind and we can't really point where we want to, which is not great either. We're a bit off course. We're not keeping our schedule as planned. It's not ideal, but look at the sunset, hey?
Worked across the lane. Unfortunately, as the wind died through the night, we put on the motor and arrived in St Vincent the following morning with some very, very tired eyes.
And we have arrived. It is now, I think it's almost 6 o'clock, 5:40 in the morning. We motored the last 8 hours. Not ideal, but there were absolutely no wind. I went to sleep at around 9. Kieran woke me up at 2:30. He had about I think 2 hours of sleep. And then when we came around the windward side of St Vincent, he woke up and we sailed motored the last bits. And now I just put down a hook and gonna have a few hours of sleep before they start harassing us and asking for our papers and COVID tests and whatnot. but it's a pretty nice sunrise. Have a look. Oh, hello, sleepyhead. Are you sleepy? You look phenomenal, but...
Yeah, this is the look I'm going for at the moment. I'm bringing it in. It's called 6 hours no sleep, 2 hours broken sleep, and half a bowl of cereal.
Alright, should we call it?
Who shall we call?
We're calling it over and out.
Call who?
Merewether out. See
Over
you
who?
in a couple of hours.
Out of who?
Out of who?
You said over and out.
Yeah, over and out.
You said over who and out of who? What?
This is what I live with.
What's its number for calling it?
Hi guys.
Hey guys, how are you?
We'd just like to take a second and give a shout out to our new supporters.
We just had a brand new patron sign up the other day, and we want to shout him out now. Mr. Andrew Moore, thank you for supporting the videos. We really appreciate it. There's one more thing, Mr. Kelly, who is already signed up to be a patron. He has upped his pledge. So we can't thank you enough, Kelly. So appreciate it, and
we see you and we're very thankful. It means a lot to us.
Cheers, guys.